Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to change wallpaper in PC or in your laptop in Windows 11. So let's get started real quick. It's kind of very simple thing to do. For that, you need to right click on your mouse and go to personalize. Here you can see personalize, just tap on that. And from here, you need to go to the background option. And as you can see, personalized background is now selected as picture. So if you tap on this drop down menu, you can see you can select the solid color, slideshow, or Windows Spotlight. If you select the solid color, it will turn any solid color into your background wallpaper like this. After that, if you want any kind of slideshow, like picture will move from one to another, then you need to select the slideshow. For that, you need to browse, tap on the browse and select the folder. You have multiple pictures. Like I will go to the pictures and here you can see screenshot. I will select this folder and here you can see now this screenshots will be my background. After sometimes it will change to another picture that will be in the folder. Alright, after that you can use the spotlight, which is directly linked to the Windows. As you can see, Windows Spotlight will randomly download the wallpaper that is on Microsoft official page. And if you want to just select the pictures, you need to go to the pictures and select any picture by go to the browse option here, browse photos, and from here you can select any of the pictures. I'm going with this logo and here you can see my wallpaper has been changed. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please do like, share, and never forget to subscribe. Thank you so much and have a great